Good day, everyone. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing how to make money with ghostwriting. If this is your first time watching my video, can you please subscribe to my channel, like it, share it, and comment on my video. So, on how to make money with ghostwriting, I think a lot of people have been looking for it to make money online with ghostwriting service. So, as a ghostwriter, you don't need a lot of things to just look for where to make money. There's a platform you can make more than thousands of dollars just rendering course writing service. So now how do you do that? Let me show you on how people make money with ghost writing service. As you can see, I will ghostwrite your non-fiction book, Kindle ebook, paperback. As you can see, this person, his package starts from $40. See this one, $50. As you can see this one, $210. If you calculate it approximately right now with the rate of dollar, as you can see, just one topic. As you can see, this person has already gotten more than 439 projects on ghostwriting. I see this one 56. This one package starts from $500. As you can see. So let me show you what they are really doing inside. Just to know that it is easy, it is very easy, and it is what you two can do. So let me just show you the basic package of this person. Fully researched and well written 6,000 word manuscript on any topic or limited revisions. What this person try to do is just whenever they bring anything like any topic, or whenever a buyer contacts them, maybe they say they should help them to write topic on how to manage their time, or topic on time management. Let me just say something like that. So they just give them that. My basic package is like 6,000 words. So if the buyer needs more than 6,000 words, so the budget is going to increase like that. So let's go to the standard. Fully researched and well written manuscripts of 12,000 words on any topic, unlimited revisions. As you can see, is another good one also. So let's check the premium. Fully researched and well written manuscript of 18,000 words on any topic, unlimited revisions. So like 30 days delivery, as you can see. So 1.5 just based on 18,000 words, as you can see. This is really great. As a ghostwriter, you're already making a lot of money. You don't know how to make use of your ghostwriting skill, and you're just looking for, just come here, just go on Fiverr and just make money on Fiverr. Then you start making a lot of money, as in, and in dollars. So let me show you another person's account too. So if you know that, let me show you someone that is below $100. So let's hear what their description is all about. Just to show you something. So about this gig, as you can see, about this gig. Hi, my name is Coralia. I have over 4 years experience as a ghostwriter, in which I have written over 800 books, as you can see. Are you looking for high quality handwritten engaging ebooks or books? Does a business need a lead magnet? Perhaps you want your name to be on the cover of a best-selling self-help book, as you can see. So this is very great, as in very good. As a ghostwriter, you can earn more than $100 instead of you thinking like maybe you just earning like $25 per hour, something like that. No, just in the day, some people are earning nothing less than thousands of dollars just ghostwriting for people out there. So, and in fact, some people even make deal with them in case they even ghostwrite any content for their buyer. You see, as the original copywriter of the content, like they would like to have to be like the author of the book. So you just publish the book for them, like if they are trying to publish the book like on Amazon. So you start. Some people can even contact them through some stuff like that. Like if they are even interested in what the author wrote. So that's on how to make money on make money using ghostwriting skill. So if you have a ghostwriting skill, you don't know how to make money. So just sign up on Fiverr and create your gig, and that's all. If you don't know on how to create a gig, I have a video on my channel, so just check it out and you find it very amazing. So if you enjoy my video, then please subscribe to my channel, like it and share it. Good day everyone.